Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you 4 different ways how you can use the MAC Strobe cream. MAC Strobe cream is an illuminator which contains really fine reflective ball particles. It can be used in several different ways. It gives just the most beautiful sheen to the skin without giving a very glittery or an obviously shimmery look. This comes in a couple of different variants. The shade I have here is called PINKLITE. I like to use this as a moisturizer to prep my skin. You can also mix it in with your moisturizer, but I just like to use this directly. This not only adds a really nice boost of radiance, but it also moisturizes your skin. The second way to use this is to add a little bit of the strobe cream to your foundation. This almost gives a tinted moisturizer feel to your foundation. It just adds a bit more radiance to your skin, and your foundation also blends in much better. For a more concentrated shine, you can use this directly on the high points of your face. You can use your fingers, you can also use a brush. I just like to use my fingers to dab this along the top of my cheekbones and the other high points of my face. And then the last way that I like using this is to create my own glowy cream blush. I mix a little bit of this with a lipstick on the back of my hand and then just dab it on my cheeks and make sure I blend it really well, and this gives a very natural flush of color to the cheeks along with a really nice radiant finish. And that is all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Strobe cream is available on Nykaa and they also have an offer running today, so do check the description box for the details. Thanks for watching. Bye.